Hi friends, this is Ananka Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Stock Surfers. And this is the pre-market predictions for Nifty using Elliott Wave Theory. See, before we get into today's analysis, read my disclaimer carefully. Let's move on to the SGX Nifty. So yesterday there was a no market holiday on behalf of Muharram, and I expected on Wednesday itself. From here there is a lot of chances for making a downtrend, and I already shared my view of Nifty in the positional in a weekly time frame yesterday. That is a 15 minutes video. It's worth watching, and my view I have already presented there. So in that 15 minutes on Wednesday, I said from here there is a chances for making this kind of wave formation, and I need a 5 wave structure in this final wave. I need a 5-way structure, right? And this could be the end of the fourth, and one more 5-way is possible. But immediately it did that first predictions what I expected, right? From here it's a 1 2, so 1 2 3 4 5, so this is the third, and 1 is the fourth, and 5. So it's already did the 5-way structure here itself. 1 2, so this is the 3 4 and 5. So there we completed the 5-way structure as I expected, and this is the end of the final 5th way of this Roman letter third. I will show you here. Here is the Roman letter third, and what I am expecting is one more 3-way structures to that 16,050 range or 16,000 to retest at this previous resistance zone now as a support, and then again one more 5-way structure is possible for the end of the 5th wave. And previous itself I am keep on saying that, informing that whether this is the 4 and this is the end of the 5, this Roman letter third, it could be here, and this 4th may be here, and the 5-way structure is got ended, means this whole structure is got ended. Mind that, and I have already informed that also. So one more high is also possible, but this could be the end of the trend also. If we keep this as a 4 and that a 5-way structure is got completed here, means this is the Roman letter 1 2 3 4 5, and this is the end of the trend. So according to that Fibonacci expansions, what I explained, that it could be extended also. So this could be the third of way of this Roman letter here also, but the market has to decide in which way it has to go. But this aggressive move, it's looking like a little bit trend reversal, but anyway we can't come to a conclusion. So wait for that next update from myself, or with your strategy you can find out. But for me and the bigger picture in the Nifty, and I keep on saying this, I just hide all those things. This could be a 1 2 3 4 and 5-way structures, and this is in the 5th way also, it got the 5-way structure. So expecting this one more low and then again one more high to trading, that is not an advice, because if it comes to this zone around 16,100, and again if it goes also, it could reach up to the 17,000 only, but from here it is around 500 points. But for me, that catching that 500 points, if it is the trend reversal, so what it could be means again the 3-way structures to the 13,240, and I have explained that also why I'm expecting the 13,300 zone in that 15 minutes previous video. And I have a link, and in the description I will attach with this also yesterday's Nifty, the positional weekly chart, and my view also. So today it is a gap down open. It's nearly from it's 100 points, it could be 100 to 150 points, but I'm expecting one more 3-way structures here, After that it could reach around 78.6 also, or 50% also, or 61.8 according to the fitness retracement. And this is the one we need to watch. From if it is a three-way structure, and again if it did the five-way structure, means there is a lot of chances for making one more high. But again if it is consolidating here, and if it breaks this, that will be a bearish trend, and it's already got reversed also. So whether this could be a third, this could be a fourth here. Yeah, this is the third. So fourth and fifth, it's already got ended, or it is still one more wave ahead. So that we will see in the coming days. I hope you enjoyed this analysis, and don't miss that weekly analysis as I shared yesterday. So thanks a lot, and we will see you in Monday for the pre-market predictions. And if I found a time, I will update that 54 stocks if I found the time, but that is not a guarantee. So we will see you on Monday for the pre-market predictions. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day and have a nice profitable week to everybody.